Hey guys, Chef Sal right here. How about a keto chicken tamale pie? It's a casserole with a homemade enchilada sauce. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run through all the ingredients and the amounts of the ingredients. I'm gonna show you as we go, right? It's pretty simple stuff, but here we go. Ready? Get some salt, kosher salt. Get some pepper, apple cider vinegar, oil for some, frying we have to do. Just a little bit of cinnamon, tomato paste, cumin, chili, granulated garlic, Italian seasoning. This was turned into this. Oh, let me turn that. Better than bouillon. It really is. Trust me. You gotta call that broth, right? Couple of cans, little 7, 8 ounce, 4 ounces each can, 8 ounces total of diced chilies, roasted chilies if you can. And I have some flour here we're going to use. And of course, a Mexican casserole would not be the same without cheddar. Melt that cheddar, sharp if you can. And coconut flour, okay? Let's start the sauce first. Now in the oven, since it's a chicken situation, 4 pretty good sized chicken breasts, skinless, boneless. I roasted them like this. Alrighty, let's get making this enchilada sauce. By the way, the chicken's ready. Remember I told you? 25 minutes in there. Okay, look how brown and delicious it is and all those spices. Let it cool. I'm going to shave that around later. Stick it in this tamale recipe, which I love. All right, 3 tablespoons olive oil, medium pan, medium heat. Over here I have the 3 tablespoons of any flour you wish. And then like a teaspoon of chili powder, a little bit of cinnamon, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, teaspoon granulated garlic. Give me 2 teaspoons of cumin and an extra chili powder teaspoon just to say you did it. And believe it or not, put these in here. Let's go. Stir it up. It's all off the bottom now, so I'm going to whisk it a little bit. Pause to smell. Oh, man. Toasty. Get it out of the corner. Likes to hide like those socks in the dryer. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix it around. It'd be worth it, trust me. 2 cups of broth. Get it in there. Have the stuff ready right next to the pot. You got to do it fast. No lump area. Security. Bring it up high. Stir every couple of minutes. You're looking for it to thicken. Cover the back of a spoon. Bring to a boil. Boiling. Get it down to a nice gentle simmer, as low as you can go, and still see bubbles. 6 minutes. Back of the spoon. If that isn't coated. Okay, turn the heat off. Apple cider vinegar. About a teaspoon. I'm going to eyeball it because I'm cool. Pepper, same thing. I'm cool. Lots. Come on, it's Mexican. Homemade enchilada sauce, see? In less than 10 minutes. I got to use more algorithm words. It picks up on that. Easy. Easy enchilada in under 10 minutes. Keto, schmeto, and it will free you from all the anxiety in the world. Take that, algorithm. Let's shred some chicken. It's cool now. Chicken's cool, just like me. All right, you chicken. Time to get shredded. Oven, 400 degrees. Now, not later. First item of business, shred. How hard is this? People are like, oh, I can't shred. Really? Can you walk? Just scrape it. You feel the way the grain's going and you go with the grain, see? Or against the grain. I don't know, just do it. All right, I'll be back when this is all shredded, all 4 pieces. Second can, total 8 ounces, green chilies on top of that chicken. You got to put 15 ounces of this enchilada sauce. And guess how much my recipe made? I'm not telling you. 15 ounces. Oh, would you stop? Look at this. Stop. Just stop. And mix up these 3 ingredients. Pour it in. Spread it out. shredded cheddar. This is 7 ounces, almost 2 cups. As much as you want. If I can almost see the product underneath, that's good enough for me. But if I can see too much of it, I'll open up another bag. Don't tempt me. I'll open another bag, Steels. 1 bag, 7 ounces. Now, any of this stuff, you're like, how am I going to find that stuff in the world? I'll put it in the description. Don't worry. That's ready. You're going to put this aside. Now we're going to make a topping, right? Beat those 4 eggs. Beat them. That's their own game. 1 cup of chicken broth. Be careful. I got 2 in here. I'll put half of it in. I took math. Cup of coconut flour. Start with a whisk. See what happens. I'm making like a dough. It's very wet, so don't worry. Baking soda. More cheese. Let's see what a cup looks like. Switch to the flat. See it? Mix. This is keto and gluten-free, this whole thing. So now you don't have to disinvite half of your friends. Invite them all. The Cinco de Mayo party coming up soon. I'm going to put this aside. Just test for salt. Don't need it. I guess it's the broth. Let's put that aside. Remember me? Yeah, I'm that delicious Mexican tamale delight. All right, let's put it over. Just give it a light push. You know, don't dig into this stuff. 400 degrees, remember. This is an old technique I used back at the deli. Make the coleslaw look better. All right, 400 degrees. You'll know when it's done. Just check it. Melted, bubbly, brown, delicious. Check it after 25, 30. You might have to go 40, 45. There you go. I'll see you then. These are ready, baby. 25 minutes, 30 minutes in the oven, 400. Time to taste. Let's go. Don't baby it. Flaky as all get-go. Cilantro. Let it fall. Sour cream. Put it next door. It is tasting time. I'm going to cut it backwards. Oh, here we go. Ooh, sour cream. Thank you, God. Man, that's good. Gluten-free, keto, low carb, delicious, fluffy, crispy yet fluffy. I mean, come on. Anyway, please subscribe right there. Boom. And I'll see you next time. What else can I say? I am Chef Sal.